Hello, friends at International Relaxation Day Conference. I'm Qing from East China Normal University. I'm glad to share the session with you about mental Tai Chi and introduce some relaxation techniques from a Chinese perspective. Actually, the perspective has become more and more international, and you may find it aligned with other concepts such as mindfulness for relaxation. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you. There we go. So my presentation is about mental Tai Chi, relaxation techniques from a Chinese perspective. First of all, let's look at what is Tai Chi. So Tai Chi is a fundamental concept in Chinese philosophy that represents the great ultimate, a state of harmonious balance and the source of all existence. It is often described as an interplay of yin and yang, the complementary forces that govern the universe, embodying dualities such as light and dark, active and passive, and male and female. And Tai Chi philosophy emphasizes the dynamic balance and constant transformation between these two opposites, leading to harmony and unity in the cosmos. The concept of Tai Chi is deeply rooted in Taoism or Taoism, which advocates living in accordance with the Tao, which is the way, embracing natural rhythms and cultivating inner peace and balance. In the practice of Tai Chi as a martial art, these philosophical principles manifest as flowing, meditative movements that promote physical health, mental clarity, and spiritual well-being. Practitioners of Tai Chi aim to cultivate a state of effortless action, which is Wu Wei in Chinese, where the actions arise naturally and spontaneously in harmony with the surrounding environment. So we can see the main point of Tai Chi is all about balance. As dual forces, yin embodies qualities like darkness, passivity, and receptivity, while yang represents light, activity, and assertiveness. And Tai Chi emphasizes the need for these forces to be in harmony, as imbalance can lead to disharmony and disruption in both the natural world and human life. And also, this balance is not static but fluid, with yin and yang constantly transforming into one another, reflecting the natural rhythms of life. The concept of Tai Chi can be applied to psychological well-being and mental health through several principles and practices that emphasize balance, mindfulness, and holistic health. Here's how Tai Chi can contribute to these areas. Well, Tai Chi promotes awareness of the mind-body connection, which is crucial for mental health and psychological well-being. By practicing mindful movements, individuals can develop a greater awareness of their bodily sensation and emotional states, leading to improved emotional regulation and stress management. Tai Chi's philosophy of balancing yin and yang can be applied to psychological well-being by encouraging individuals to find balance in their lives. This involves harmonizing work and rest, activity and reflection, and social engagement and solitude, contributing to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Regular practice of Tai Chi can increase emotional resilience by fostering a sense of inner peace and stability. This resilience helps individuals better cope with life's challenges and recover more quickly from setbacks, which is essential for maintaining mental health. Tai Chi emphasizes being present in the moment and developing mindfulness. This practice can enhance self-awareness and reduce negative thought patterns, help individuals cultivate a positive mindset, and improve their overall well-being. Lastly, the meditative nature of Tai Chi helps reduce stress and anxiety by encouraging deep breathing and relaxation. This practice activates the parasympathetic nervous system, leading to a calming effect on the mind and body, which is beneficial for managing stress-related conditions. So, how can we apply Tai Chi mentally in our daily life for relaxation and stress management? Here are some guidance. First, apply the principle of yin and yang to maintain balance in your daily activities. Strive for harmony between work and leisure, activity and rest, and social interaction and solitude. This balance can help prevent burnout and promote a more sustainable and enjoyable lifestyle. Second, cultivate mindfulness by being fully present in each moment. Whether you're eating, working, or spending time with loved ones, focus on the experience without judgment or distraction. This mindfulness can enhance your appreciation of everyday activities and improve your overall well-being. Third, develop awareness of your emotional states and practice non-judgmental acceptance of your feelings. Tai Chi teaches the importance of observing emotions without becoming overwhelmed by them. This awareness can lead to better emotional regulation and resilience. Fourth, practice deep mindful breathing throughout the day. Take a few moments to focus on your breath, inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling slowly through the mouth. This practice can help calm the body and mind and reduce stress, allowing yourself to remain centered and focused during challenging situations. Fifth, integrate gentle, Tai Chi-inspired movements into your routine. You can do this by performing simple stretches or slow, flowing motions that encourage relaxation and flexibility. These movements can be used as a form of active meditation, promoting mindfulness and a sense of peace. Finally, use visualization techniques to feel grounded and centered. This visualization can help you feel more secure and focused, especially during times of stress or uncertainty. Now I'm going to introduce a few techniques in the following slides. Flowing river. Imagine your body as a river with energy flowing smoothly and continuously from head to toe. Visualize any tension or blockages being gently carried away by the current, leaving yourself feeling relaxed and refreshed. This technique can help improve energy circulation and promote a sense of calm. River roots. Visualize yourself as a tree with roots extending deeply into the ground. Imagine drawing strength and stability from the earth through your roots. This visualization can help you feel grounded and centered, enhancing your balance and focus. Golden light. Then picture a warm golden light surrounding your body, filling you with a sense of warmth and vitality. Imagine this light expanding and contracting with your breath, promoting healing and rejuvenation. This technique can help boost your mood and energy levels. Ocean waves. You can picture the movement of ocean waves and imagine each movement as a wave rising and falling, flowing effortlessly from one to the next. This technique can help you cultivate smooth, continuous movements and enhance your connection to the natural flow of energy. Hey, that's all for my presentation. I hope you enjoyed this session and relax better.